Hey guys, so I wanted to give you some feedback on the new CoachRx app update. So here we have the home screen. As you can see in the bottom left corner, this is the home tab of the app. And this is your daily RX screen right here. And then in the top right corner, you have the messages tab. But before we get to that, we'll go to the calendar. And you can see that you can navigate the calendar as far forward ahead as you want or as far back as you want. And you can jump to workouts to see where they are. And then, of course, it'll show you Monday through Sunday, no matter what week you're on. And then you just click on whatever day of the week that you want to look at. Top right corner of the screen, we have your messages. So I just sent myself a message, being kind of silly here. So you can obviously add any videos or documents you can send in the thumbnail or the attachment page there. Send me a message. And again, that's in the top right corner, that little blue button. And then if you look at each day, you'll be able to see both exercise and lifestyle prescriptions as long as it shows up. So you just tap on exercise, it'll show you an overview of your workout. And then if you want to hit start workout, you'll see that it always starts with a warm-up. And in the top piece there, you'll see the little blue dashes. Those are indicating how many pieces of the workout there are. And of course you have your demo videos. You can comment on any piece, including the warm-up if you have comments about the warm-ups. And then instead of scrolling up and down, you're swiping left to right. And very similar to the old app, you can just click the thumbnail and add any pictures. So again, we're swiping here left to right, not going up and down. And then of course you want to make sure that you hit complete for any time that you complete a piece of the workout. I believe anytime you comment as well, it'll automatically mark it as complete if you commented. So everything has demo videos. You can see your exercise history, of course. So you can use those functions per normal. It's just a little nicer layout. And then when you do hit complete, it'll give you a little notification saying, hey, great work. And then it should eventually show you how many workouts you've completed in a row or what your streak is. I'm not sure why I'm going back in here again. I did the screen recording and then now I'm making the voiceover. So going down to lifestyle, answering the lifestyle questions that you have. This is a simple yes. There's no notes required. Asking if I hit the right calories and macros. And then if I jump to Friday, which I have myself scheduled for a check-in, you can see your check-in as well. Previously, you could only look at your check-in if you got the notification. So now you can view your check-ins whenever you want. Of course, you can jump forward if you want to, but it'll be there the day of the prescribed check-in. So Friday is my check-in for myself. So I would answer the questions and then just hit complete. And that is basically the home tab with the workout calendar. So it's a lot easier to navigate. You can go back as far as you want. You don't have to hit a past tab or a future tab, whatever. It's just all there in one place, which is really convenient. Currently, there's no way to notify you of a message besides just your push notifications you get from your phone. So in the top right corner again is where you see your messages, but there's no way for them to indicate on the home screen if you have a message or not. So just look for the messages in your push notifications. And then going under profile here, you can hit settings and then adjust your notifications as you want. So if you want to turn off email reminders so that you just have the push notifications from me on your phone and then turn off email, that's fine too. I'll leave that up to you guys. So do whatever works best for you. Change your password in there too. Coming down here, you can add your progress pictures. We definitely encourage you to put in your in-body scans here or your body measurement forms here. If you want to do progress pictures, that's fine too. Just keep it appropriate. Intake form. If you haven't done this, please go in there and complete the intake form. Equipment. I should have all of your equipment already, but if you haven't put it in there, go ahead and do that now. Just add the location, which would be like Danny's home gym, for example. And then under the equipment piece, of course, I would just type in all the equipment that I have. So I've got a bench and squat rack, a air bike, spin bike, some adjustable dumbbells, a pull-up bar, bands, and a rower, and a few other things. I won't take the time to add in here completely, but it'll hit save, and then it'll show up there. And then when I'm making your workouts, I can go in here and make sure I'm using all the equipment you have. Next, we got your training schedule you don't have to do anything with, and then documents. You're able to see any of the documents you want. So recipe packs are in there. Bodyweight workouts is a good one to use if you're on the run and need something really quick and I'm not able to get to you in time, or you just sent me a message too late. Measurement forms for both men and women. We use the second page of those documents. How to read tempo. This is a good one to look at. If you don't already know it, this is a good refresher. That way you don't have to wait for me to send you a reply. If you want to book a call with me or a consultation, you can do that here. So this is synced to my Google Calendar, which I keep up to date. And there's different options here. So you would never use a free discovery call since you're already a client. You would use the middle two options. So bi-weekly check-ins or quarterly or monthly check-ins. And then just do a phone call, enter in your phone number, and then confirm your phone number. And then from there, you'll be able to confirm the appointment type, select the day that you want to talk to me, and then select the time as well. So I have weekends open, but please try to keep it to the weekdays, preferably, and that would work fine. And then you can see your subscription or your payment here as well under Invoice tab. And then feedback, lastly, you would hit the feedback button, and this goes directly to CoachRx. So if you have a glitch or anything that's wrong with your app at all, you just type in your email and they'll ask you some questions, and that'll go directly to CoachRx, and they'll give you some feedback within about 24 to 48 hours. So lastly, under the by your name and your email, you can hit there, and please add your birthday in and your time zone if you haven't already, or if I haven't done that yet. And then under body stats, enter your weight and stuff there. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.